Good morning, students. Today we will learn about human excretory system. Hmm. This is chapter 11, transportation of material in plants and animals. So let's start human excretory system. What is excretory system? Look what your book says. It is a fascinating process by which each minute cell in the body, means our body, human body, acts in synergy to meet the needs of a complex entity. Our body is a very complex, uh, have very complex organs, and systems are also very complex. The human body, it is done through a series of reactions. It is not a single reaction. Here, a series of reaction occurs, including cellular respiration. Respiration we have done earlier. So, respiration is very important because there food and oxygen both combines. Oxidation occurs and food is break down into carbon dioxide and water and lots of energy. Now, after this, these reactions are chemical and metabolic. Metabolic means it is related to digestion in nature, and this process is known as metabolism. Whole digestive system is known as metabolism, means pachan kriya. However, in the process, each cell, after respiration, each cell produces waste in the form of carbon dioxide and other toxic materials, means other poisonous things, which are not useful for our body. So, what is the excretory system? The definition is the complex system of organs that carry out the process of, actually this is the word, removal of waste products. This is the main point of the excretory system, removal of waste produced in the cell of the living organism. बॉडी के अंदर जो भी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट तैयार होता है, बनता है, उसको बाहर निकालना है. Removal of waste product produced in the cell of the living organism is called excretory system. Hope you understood. Now, what happens in case of unicellular organism? They are very simple, not as complex as our body. In case of unicellular organism like amoeba, paramecium, excretion of carbon dioxide and other waste happens through the surface of the cell by the process of diffusion. जैसे आप किशमिश को पानी में डाल देते हो तो वो फूल जाता है ना, तो वहां पे तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, रप्चर नहीं हुआ, लेकिन वाटर यहाँ से अंदर चला गया. वैसे ही डिफ्यूजन इज ए वर्ड that is used in यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. उसमें क्या होता है कि बॉडी के अंदर जो भी वेस्ट बना वो डिफ्यूजन से बॉडी से बाहर इन्वायरमेंट में चला गया, आइदर इन एयर और इन वाटर. In aquatic animals like fish, toxins are eliminated in the form of air, gas, in the form of ammonia. Ammonia is a gas, and that ammonia directly dissolves in water. जैसे वो स्किन से बाहर निकला, fish is in water, so that ammonia dissolves in water. चला गया पानी में, हो गया diffusion, हो गया excretion done. On the other hand, land animals like lizard, snakes and birds, especially birds, excrete waste in the form of uric acid a white colored substance. मोस्टली देखोगे ना बर्ड्स और जो आपके घर के आसपास में ना पीजन होते हैं, कबूतर, देखोगे अचानक कभी आपके पीठ पे गिरा, white colored पॉटी होता है उनका. That is actually uric acid and that's why it looks like white. In human excretion is completed by a complex system of organs. इतना easy नहीं है. Humans में जो है वो काफी complex होता है और एक अलग, there is a special system, excretory system. And main part of this system is kidney. Look at this. This is the picture of our excretory system. Look, there is a two bean shaped kidney. Blue color is veins. Veins which carry deoxygenated blood, yani means the blood which has no oxygen. That's why it looks blue. Here it is look picture it is looking as blue. This is vena cava. You know, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले we have done in previous video I told you that there is a two vena cava, anterior vena cava and posterior. जो नीचे से जाता है that is posterior vena cava और जो हार्ट के ऊपर से आ रहा है that is anterior vena cava. तो ये कौन सा होगा? Must be it is posterior vena cava क्योंकि ये हम जो है kidney is situated at the lower part of the near abdomen and after heart. It is just situated in our abdomen, so it must be posterior vena cava, that I am trying to say. Red one is artery, main artery, which is coming from heart. So it is red in color. It is oxygen. It carries oxygenated blood, means with oxygen. The yellow color, that is ureter, that is coming from kidney. And it carries water and waste. Okay. The thin layer of blue color is renal artery. Renal artery, okay. Red color is renal artery and blue color is renal vein. I think so. Artery means carrying pure blood, means oxygenated blood. Veins means deoxygenated blood means pure blood. Renal veins, veins means impure blood, sorry. वेंस जब भी आएगा तो इम्प्योर ब्लड यानी कि डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, और जहां पे आर्टरीज आएगा मतलब प्योर ब्लड, ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, एक्सेप्ट पल्मोनरी. पल्मोनरी वर्ड अगर लग गया तो वो उल्टा हो जाता है. नाउ at the lower part you can see that this is urinary bladder and the opening is called urethra. Urethra. Okay. Now look at this. Just try to understand this picture. Now what is written? Posterior vena cava. The blue color is posterior vena cava. Large vein that carries deoxygenated blood from the lower and middle body into the right auricle of the heart. ये कहाँ लेके जा रहा है? ब्लू वाला impure blood लेकर कहाँ जा रहा है? राइट ऑरिकल में. Auricle is also called atrium. So here it is written right atrium of the heart. ये ऊपर जा रहा है, ब्लू वाला ऊपर जा रहा है, रेड वाला ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है. Red one is aorta, main artery supplying oxygenated blood to the होल ऑफ द बॉडी, तो किडनी के पास भी आएगा। सब जगह जा रहा है तो किडनी के पास भी आएगा। ओके, दिस इज किडनी। वन पेयर ऑफ किडनी बीन शेप्ड, राजमा के जैसा कलर होता है, बीन शेप शेप भी राजमा जैसा है, लोकेटेड वन ऑन ईच साइड ऑफ द स्पाइन, ये पीठ की तरफ से ज्यादा नजदीक होता है rather than abdomen, each side of the spine at the level of liver, ठीक है, लिवर के नीचे है और ये बैक साइड्स के थोड़ा नजदीक होता है, इसलिए नियर, इट इज नियर टू स्पाइन। रीनल वेन, ठीक है, वेन्स मीन्स deoxygenated blood, carries blood devoid of waste away from the kidney, किडनी से लेकर के वेस्ट को लेके ये निकलता है, ठीक है, वेन्स है ना, तो इम्प्योर है, इम्प्योर थिंग्स, टॉक्सिन सबको लेकर के वो जा रहा है, कहाँ जा रहा है, हार्ट में जा रहा है, ठीक। यूरेटर, यूरेटर इज ए ट्यूब that carry waste product from the kidney. Urethra, this is the opening tube that arises from the urinary bladder and functions to expel urine to the outside. इसी रास्ते से urine is expelled to outside. This is urinary bladder, sac-like structure, responsible for storage of urine till it is expelled from the body. यहाँ पे स्टोर होता है, हम लोग में तो स्टोर होता है ना, ह्यूमंस में, और बर्ड्स ये सब जो होते हैं उनमें नहीं होता है। यूरिनरी ब्लैडर इज एब्सेंट इन बर्ड्स बिकॉज दे हैव टू बिकम लाइट वेट। दिस इज रीनल आर्टरी, सप्लाई ऑक्सीजन टू किडनी। उसका जो फंक्शन है, जो नॉर्मल फंक्शन है, वो तो ब्लड को उसको देना है ना, ईच एंड एवरी सेल, सभी को ब्लड देना है, तो रीनल आर्टरी गिव्स और कैरीज ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड एंड गिव ईच एंड एवरी सेल टू ऑक्सीजन एंड फूड, सबको चाहिए। ओके, तो दिस इज द सिस्टम। होप you have understood all these things. Watch this video more 2 or 3 times, then it will be all clear. Okay, now figure you have understood. Now the system and the process. Each kidney is comprised of microscopic unit called nephron. Just like in lungs, we have alveoli, very small alveoli. In kidney, there is a nephrons. Nephrons are just like a filter. जैसे चाय का छन्नी होता है ना, that's like small cup shaped. It is a filter, nephron. A nephron is used to separate water from blood. Ions and small molecules from the blood filter out waste and toxics. जो भी टॉक्सिन्स है, वेस्ट है, सबको वो फिल्टर कर लेता है और फिर से ब्लड को जो है वापस भेज देता है हार्ट में। An adult human being normally passes 2 liters of urine in a day. Urine consists 95% water, 2.5% urea and 2.5% other waste products. Okay, it is mandatory to keep our body free of toxin. और सबसे अच्छा उपाय है to discharge urine by drinking around 3 to 4 liters of water every day. आप 4 लीटर पानी पी रहे हो, उसमें से कितना निकल रहा है, 1.5 से 2 लीटर, तो बाकी का जो 2 लीटर है which is used in manufacture of blood and other things. Our urine is an indicator of our health also, as oftentimes urine test होता है. Urine test give us a complete picture of what is wrong in any other organ system of our body. कहीं भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो क्या होगा कि वो हम लोग यूरिन टेस्ट से पता कर लेते हैं. Presence of glucose or sugar in it indicates diabetes, and high sugar level in our blood, वो भी यूरिन टेस्ट से पता चल जाता है. In very extreme cases, there is a presence of blood in the urine, means then we can understand that our kidney are severely damaged and we need immediate treatment through dialysis or a kidney transplant. अगर ब्लड आने लगा यूरिन में देन मीन्स इट इज अ वेरी सिवियर केस, अब वो बहुत सीरियस हो चुका है. एंड दैट टाइम we start treatment of dialysis. Dialysis is a process when kidney fails. There is a artificial kidney made by human beings, and filter occurs through this artificial kidney, and this is called dialysis और किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट. बहुत लोग किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट भी करते हैं, कोई डोनर मिल गया तो उसका किडनी रिप्लेस कर दिया जाता है. एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग कैन लिव on one kidney throughout their life. So two kidney are the assets for us. Do you know when the kidney fall to filter the blood effectively, मतलब किडनी फेल हो जाता है, सॉरी फेल्स लिखा होगा, effectively, fluid and waste products build up in the body to a critical level. तब क्या होगा, वो बॉडी में रहने लगेगा. In this condition, artificial method of filtration called dialysis might be required to get rid of these waste. तब उसको dialysis के थ्रू हम बाहर निकालते हैं. This is all for today. Thank you. Any problem? You can ask me in class.